I'm
Okay.
just here to make
So-
a special appearance.
Or if you don't
I
want
don't
to
want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for... No, ma'am.
We've got a wild one today. This sovereign citizen gets absolutely wrecked by a no-nonsense judge during a court hearing over driving without insurance. Seriously, you can't make this stuff up. This woman straight up denies the law applies to her, claiming she's not a citizen and therefore not subject to U.S. jurisdiction. She tries to argue her way out of it with classic sovereign citizen logic, but ends up making a complete fool of herself while the judge shuts her down with zero patience. If you enjoy this kind of courtroom chaos, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get into it.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Pierre Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with a plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
as
or
I
jury in this
understand,
matter.
as I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this Karen think she is? She's seriously trying to get the entire case thrown out by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. Like, how does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're automatically agreeing to follow the laws that come with it. It's called implied consent. That includes having insurance. No amount of made-up legal mumbo-jumbo is going to change that. What do you think? Should we be done with these sovereign citizens once and for all? Or do they actually have a point? Let's dive back in.
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate,
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capious.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are going to get much hotter than they were at the last hearing, and Karen starts losing it. The judge breaks down her arguments one by one, saying things like, "I don't understand how this woman thinks it's just so hard to buy insurance for her car. It's not some secret government conspiracy. It's literally there to protect people on the road." The judge is going to throw some facts at her, and she will just keep digging herself into a very deep hole. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but let's move on to the next hearing and see how it all turns out.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm
are you?
a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so
So
that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity?
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Pierre Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I
I'm
cannot
asking you to
handle this
dis-
matter.
Okay.
Okay? So is she present
Judge,
today?
do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Pierre Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am
who
an
you are,
authorized
though.
representative. I just told you I'm an authorized
Do you have
representative.
a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm attorney in fact. Listen.
Lawyer of fact. If this woman truly wants to speak for herself or act as some sort of entity in court without a name, she needs a P number, like an actual attorney's license. These sovereign citizens are just so out of touch. I swear, every time they say this, it just makes no sense. They throw it around like it's some magic phrase that will win their case, but that's just not how the legal system works.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not,
I need
I
the
will put a
person-
UCC.
John
I
Pierre
will lean
Williams?
it. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Pierre Sherelle Williams. Are you present, ma'am? John Pierre Williams. Are you present twice?
I
John
am
Pierre
here
Sherelle Williams.
to make a special limit appearance
Are you
on the
present?
behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John?
you're not gonna answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Pierre Williams, the agent.
Okay. So John
Authorized
Pierre Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move
Non-resident
forward because I
alien.
need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Pierre Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That
ticket.
all cap
of
name
no
was
insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Pierre Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Tell me which side you support in this court case. The judge handled this case calmly, laid down the law, and didn't let this nonsense slide, which is exactly how it should be. Sometimes judges out here just give in to the sovereign citizen, and I don't think that's very helpful. It's best to just kind of ignore them and get them out of the courtroom. What do you guys think? Did the judge handle this situation perfectly? Or do you think she should have laid down the hammer a little? Thank you so much for viewing, and please remember to like and subscribe if you liked this video. I hope you will see more like it.